Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for this video I have a product review. So I have worked with them in the past when I did my hot glue gun review, and the company is Monvict. And this time I spoke with him, and he has this jewelry tool kit available, and he asked me if I'd like to review it for him. So here it is. And I actually didn't realize that it came with these wires. Yeah, so you get the silver, the gold, and the clear. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the clear is stretchy. So yeah, all three of those come with it. So that's pretty nice to have those all in there together. Let's see. I'm trying to make this stay open. Alright, so you get all the little tools you need for jewelry making, beading, sewing beads on anything you could for beads and jewelry, really. So you get these pliers. These are the flat on the side to cut or snip with. You get these, I don't know what they're all technically called. I think these are long nose pliers. And then you get these needle nose pliers. Make sure you can see those. And they're not tight or too loose. They're comfortable to hold. So I really like those. And I can never have too many jewelry tools like these, because sometimes I take things with me, or I'm in a different room or a different place, so it's nice to have multiple sets. And then here in the middle you get, I believe this is called an awl. It's got a wood handle. Let me see if I can pull that plastic piece off. It's trying to stick to it. Yes, it is pointy on the end there, for like poking holes through things. So you get that as well. And then here in the middle is a tube with these rings on it. And what this is, it's first you get this tube with this little cap in it. And you have all these different lengths of needles for beading. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I believe there are 5 different lengths in there. And get this little tube to keep them secure so you don't poke yourself. And then on it is this one. This is like a thimble ring for when you're poking through, so that you don't poke yourself with the needles. And then you get this one, which is the jump ring opener, and it has, is it 4 different sizes? So you've got that one there. That one's a little bit wider, and then this side, they might be the same, but you can use one of these to hold your jump ring, stick it in here, and turn and open your jump ring without having to stop and get 2 different pairs to do it. You can keep this on your finger if you are sitting and making lots of dangles or doing a lot of beading together, and they fit nicely on this little tube so that they don't fall out and get lost. So I really like that. And then also over here you get these little snips. They're in this little protective sleeve here, and they are just a small handheld pair of scissors to cut your wires or your string without having to carry, a big, a separate case with different tools in it. You've got this, you can grab this and go, and you have everything together. So you don't have to worry about finding anything to cut with, because it comes with this nifty little pair of scissors. Oh, let's see. And then over here you get a bead gauging tool. Excuse me. And this measures in, let's see, millimeters. It shows you that that is 0.5, and it goes up to 80 or 8, and up to the looks like 3¼ inches. So if you needed to measure a bead, you would open this up, and let's see, I don't have anything really close by. I have this little pom-pom here, so if I put it in there, and that actually is a nice fit, and that would tell me how many millimeters there. Also down here, that would be in inches, and this would be in your millimeters. And let's see, I have this little charm over here. If I wanted to measure the charm, I can open this up, hold it there, push it down, and that would tell me 25, right at 24 millimeters. So you can measure either way, and that's a nice little tool to have as well. And then you get a pair of tweezers over here. So similar to the scissors, you don't have to worry about finding a pair of scissors. You don't have to worry about your tweezers either. It comes with a small pair in there for you for picking up beads or any of your small jewelry tools that you might be working with. And then over here you get one of these soft measuring tapes, like for sewing, and that can come in handy for jewelry making if you wanted to measure your wire or anything else. And I love having this small measuring tape in here with it. It doesn't take up much room. And then you get a few of the pins over here to help you thread your wire into a needle or your beads onto your wire. So there's 3 there. They are all the same size, and they all fit. Everything fits securely in their little elastic places. And let's see, this was here, and I believe there's actually a couple of extra spaces there to put in other things if you like. So yeah, I am very happy with this jewelry tool kit. I'll have to put all this back in a little while. I was trying to do it on camera. So anyway, yeah. If you're interested, I'll have the link in the description box. Again, this is by Monvict. And this is a really great tool kit to have in your stash to grab and go for travel, for a crafty meetup, anything like that. So yeah, I hope you will check it out. And that's it for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.